my name is Akino, and today I'm gonna be making teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki chicken is really popular Japanese main dish. Everybody does it all over the world, and there's a lot of recipes on the internet, but I want to show you how we do it in our kitchen and to show you the best and easiest way to cook teriyaki chicken.
Cut chicken into bite-sized pieces and place them in a plastic bag. Cut off any excess skin and fat and remove the skin if you don't like it. Drizzle over ginger juice to remove the gamey smell and give it a refreshing aroma, and toss to coat evenly before put them in a plastic bag. This is optional, but it makes a difference. We don't add garlic to teriyaki chicken. Dust with potato starch or cornstarch to glaze the meat beautifully. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and add chicken into the pan. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes, covered, and then flip and cook another 3 to 4 minutes until browned and cooked through. Add sugar, mirin, and soy sauce and reduce the sauce until thick and glossy on the surface. And that's it! It's that easy. Serve with vegetables, rice, and miso soup, making a perfect Japanese-style meal. As you see, we don't add garlic or honey. Very simple but flavorful and tasty. Today I serve it with fresh green peas rice. That is our spring delicacy, and it goes so well together. You can serve it with goma ae that I introduced you last time, and you can make a bento for your spring picnic. I hope you will enjoy this idea as well as I do. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!